everyone, Founder's Daughter here. And on our segment today, we are doing a fresh Mediterranean salad that I love to make in the summertime now that we are on our summer salad series. I'm going to make it really fast for you because my goal is always to have you be able to pick up fresh ingredients and be able to make it super fast. So let's get going. Right above in our Facebook, my recipe is linked. So you'll be able to see all that. So I already have some fresh peaches and strawberries and blackberries and cherries already cut up. Super yummy, right? You just assemble it however you want to assemble it, layer it, put some red onion on it. I know that sounds crazy, right? Red onion and fruit. It works, believe me. We just put all that on there. So nice. Cherries go on top. So beautiful. Whenever I go to somebody's house for a picnic or whatever, I like to take this. And it just looks elevated, I think. Just has that beautiful elevated look. That was easy, right? Then we take our beautiful fresh pomegranate seeds. You put it on top, and of course, you know, you got to catch these when when they're in season. And then we take this beautiful ball of burrata. Actually, this is burrata. It has the beautiful stracciatella cream on the inside. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Then we take a little bit of fresh orange juice. And I like to put a little bit of fresh orange juice on it. So summery and fresh, right? Then we take some crushed pistachios and we put them right on top. It just looks so fancy and gourmet. I love that about this. And we make it in like 2 minutes. Of course, you have assembly that you got to put together. And of course, we finish it with some beautiful Michigan honey. And you just take that and you just drizzle some honey on the top of it. You can add whatever fruit you want. You want plums? Put plums on it. And the amazing thing I forgot to tell you about, I'm just going to go back, is this is a cherry pitter. Amazon. So I already pitted my cherries, but I think I have one here. So you stick the cherry in this hole, and you just, now you can have a salad where people aren't spitting pits into your dishes at dinner. That drives me crazy. You got to go clean the plates and the pits stuck to the plate. I can't have it. It drives me nuts. So, and my little mess here, let me just clean that up, move it over. Look at that. So beautiful and fresh and so elevated. It just gives that gourmet look to it, I think. So what this series is all about is fresh flavors, simple ingredients, effortlessly Italian. Come taste summer the Italian way.